In the blinding light of midday, the Ukrainian battlefield once again erupted into chaos as a swarm of FPV drones descended upon a Russian convoy loaded with ammunition. What began as a calm logistical movement soon turned into a catastrophic ambush that left the entire supply line in flame. The Russian trucks, carrying tons of artillery shells and rockets, were crawling along a narrow dirt road near the front lines when the first Ukrainian drone locked onto its target. Within seconds, the sky buzzed with the deadly hum of multiple FPV drones closing in fast from different directions. The first explosion shattered the silence, a massive blast that sent shockwaves across the barren fields. Flames and thick black smoke spiraled into the air as the leading truck was obliterated. Russian soldiers scrambled for cover, but the assault had only just begun. Ukrainian drone operators, positioned miles away, calmly guided their FPVs through the haze of dust and fire. On their screens, the convoy appeared like sitting ducks, a perfect target for precision strikes. Each drone zipped forward with chilling accuracy, striking truck after truck in a coordinated sequence. The second truck went up in a blinding orange fireball, igniting the ammunition it carried. The resulting explosion was so powerful it flipped nearby vehicles and scattered debris hundreds of meters away. The chain reaction intensified as more drones joined the hunt. Desperate Russian soldiers tried to shoot the drones down with rifles and machine guns, but their efforts were futile. The FPVs were too fast, too small, and too determined. One soldier could be seen sprinting from a burning vehicle just moments before another drone dove straight into the wreckage beside him. Explosions echoed across the landscape for several minutes, each detonation marking the destruction of another vital supply truck. The Ukrainian assault had transformed the convoy into a smoldering graveyard of twisted metal and burning fuel. Commanders on the Russian side frantically radioed for air support and reinforcements, but it was too late. By the time drones withdrew, the entire column had been annihilated, more than a dozen trucks destroyed beyond recognition. The ground trembled under the constant thunder of detonations, and the sky was choked with thick plumes of smoke. Broken metal fragments rained down like deadly shrapnel, and the air reeked of burning diesel and gunpowder. It was a scene of complete devastation. No survivors, no chance of recovery. This devastating strike didn't just cripple logistics, it sent a clear and terrifying message. Ukraine's mastery of FPV drone warfare has reached new heights, allowing them to obliterate key enemy assets deep behind the front lines with minimal risk to their own forces. Analysts believe such strikes are reshaping the very nature of the battlefield, where traditional armored convoys are now obsolete against these nimble, guided weapons. Footage from the strike quickly circulated across social media, showing each drone's final moments before impact, a split second of static, followed by a massive detonation that engulfed the entire frame in fire. The footage was both terrifying and mesmerizing, capturing the raw, mechanical precision of Ukraine's modern drone warfare. Every explosion was a silent message to Russia. Technology and precision now reigned supreme over brute force. Military analysts praised the operation as one of Ukraine's most effective drone strikes in recent months. Targeting ammunition supply convoys, they said, was a strategic move that would severely disrupt Russian artillery operations for days, if not weeks. Without those critical supplies, many Russian frontline units would be left helpless, unable to sustain their heavy shelling or launch new offensives. It was a masterstroke of timing, precision, and tactical understanding. As the fires continued to rage long into the afternoon, secondary explosions from cooking munitions could still be heard, echoing like distant thunder across the scorched field. Columns of smoke rose high above the battlefield, visible for miles in every direction. The once busy supply road had been transformed into a blazing inferno, littered with destroyed vehicles, shattered weapons, and scorched earth. The scene resembled the aftermath of an airstrike, though no planes were involved, only drones, controlled by unseen hands miles away. In nearby Russian positions, panic reportedly spread as commanders feared another wave of drone attacks. Soldiers began hastily camouflaging their trucks with branches, moving supplies under the cover of night, and setting up decoys to fool Ukrainian reconnaissance. Yet fear gripped every movement, the awareness that at any moment another FPV could appear out of nowhere, screaming toward its target at terrifying speed. The once confident troops now felt hunted, powerless against the unseen threat above. For Ukraine, the operation was a resounding success, another chapter in their evolving strategy of drone dominance. Every FPV launched carried not just explosives, but a message of defiance and innovation. With each successful strike, Ukrainian engineers and operators proved that they could outsmart, outmaneuver, and outfight a larger enemy through sheer ingenuity and precision. The psychological impact on Russian forces was as devastating as the physical destruction itself.